Happy 27th birthday to me. Today marks a beautiful milestone, a celebration of 27 incredible years, painted with laughter, growth, and countless blessings. I wake up with a heart brimming with gratitude for the tapestry of experiences that have woven the story of my life thus far. Each year has been a unique chapter, filled with its own set of lessons, challenges overcome, and moments of pure, unadulterated joy. Looking back, I cherish the memories made, the friendships forged, and the love that has surrounded me like a warm embrace. From the smallest acts of kindness to the grandest adventures, every experience has shaped me into the person I am today. I am thankful for the unwavering support of my family, whose love has been my constant anchor, guiding me through stormy seas and celebrating every triumph, big or small. My friends, the vibrant threads in the fabric of my life, added immeasurable color and laughter to my journey. Their unwavering belief in me, their shared moments of silliness and profound conversations have enriched my existence beyond words. I am truly blessed to have such incredible souls walking alongside me. This 27th birthday feels like the dawn of a new and exciting chapter. I stand on the precipice of possibilities, my heart filled with anticipation for what lies ahead. This year, I embrace bigger dreams, fueled by a burning desire to reach new heights and explore uncharted territories. I am committed to pursuing greater success, not just in my endeavors, but in cultivating deeper connections and making a positive impact on the world around me. More than anything, this new chapter is about embracing unstoppable joy. I choose to focus on the beauty that surrounds me, to find happiness in the everyday moments, and to cultivate an inner peace that radiates outwards. I believe in the power of positivity and the magic that unfolds when we approach life with an open heart and a grateful spirit. The outpouring of birthday wishes I've received has been overwhelming and heartwarming. Each message, each kind word, has added a sparkle to my special day. Knowing that so many people care and are celebrating with me fills my heart with immense joy and appreciation. It's a reminder of the beautiful connections I've made and the love that surrounds me. The celebrations today have been nothing short of wonderful. From heartfelt phone calls to surprise visits, every gesture has made me feel incredibly loved and cherished. The laughter shared, the stories recounted, and the feeling of being surrounded by my favorite people have made this birthday truly unforgettable. It's truly humbling to know that people like and love me for who I am. Their acceptance, their encouragement, and their unwavering support have been instrumental in my growth and happiness. I am deeply grateful for the genuine connections I share and the positive impact these relationships have on my life. As the day unfolds, I am filled with a sense of profound gratitude. Gratitude for the gift of life, for the lessons learned, for the love received, and for the exciting future that stretches before me. This 27th birthday is not just a celebration of another year past, but a joyful embrace of the journey ahead. Thank you to everyone who has made this day so special. Your love and well wishes mean the world to me. Let's raise a virtual toast to the adventures to come, to the dreams we will chase, and to the unstoppable joy that will fill the pages of this new chapter. Here's to 27 and beyond,